Thank you for stopping by. And as you can see, right in front of you is a pack of the Arka okra that I had bought. This is Arka Nikita F1, that's the name. And these are the plants. I had made an earlier video as well, which several people have watched, and I'm hoping that they'll watch this one as well, because this is more like a follow-up of that video. Because in that video I had shown, that was created I think about 23 days back, wherein I had shown the size of the plant. I think it was at the stage of seedling. So before I move further and tell you, tilt these two and show you the growth, the level of the growth they have experienced, let me tell you a couple of advantages of bringing in Arka Nikita. And this is an F1 hybrid, and it is developed through Geenic male sterile line. It has early flowering, so it takes about 39 days for the first flower appearance and 43 days for the first picking of fruits. Produces dark green, medium, smooth and tender fruits. Excellent cooking quality, nutritionally rich in antioxidant activity. High mucilage content, which basically means high in fiber foliage. High edible fiber content, as I just stated. It is rich in minerals like potassium, calcium and magnesium. I'm sorry about the background noise. There are some foolish people who have this habit of removing the silencer of their bikes and roaming around with these kind of noises. Anyway, let's get down to the main topic. So potassium, calcium and magnesium. It is rich in iodine content. Yields about 21 to 24 tons per hectare in 125 to 130 days. So it's a whole cycle wherein you will keep getting fruit and the fruit will be generated up until 125 to 130 a day. So it's a pretty good source of income for people who have decent land parcels in and around metro cities. Plus it's a great veg for consumption. So you can, as I'm trying to do, I'm basically trying to grow it inside of my garden. So it's more like a balcony kitchen garden. So as soon as I observe some success, I'll obviously plant more of these. But this is more like a trial phase that I'm going through, because I have never ever planted Arka. In fact, to be honest, I haven't planted any seeds before until of course I experienced the lockdown and the coronavirus pandemic, and this generated a lot of interest in me of a very simple fundamental fact. It's a very simple fact, yet quite fundamental. At the same time, not a lot of people think about it, mainly because of the fact that they are busy earning money from secondary sources. Why I call that secondary sources? Because primary source of income or primary source of sustenance on this planet for lakhs and millions of years has been agriculture, and yet we ignore it. So if at the end of the day I'm able to get great organic food into my tummy, whether it's breakfast, lunch or dinner, why should I be focusing on making money through other sources of income? Of course, I do have other main source of income, but then this is more like an experiment, as I said. And if these kind of experiments that I'm doing with my veggies, they turn out to be successful, then I'll possibly do it on a semi-commercial level, and then transition from there onto a full-fledged commercial business model. Obviously, I'll share. If I reach there, I anyway will end up sharing a lot of details with you, just the way I'm sharing right now. So I've told you about basically the seeds of Arka Nikita F1, okra or bhindi as they call it in India. And what I'll do is, let me just show you this pack. It's actually been stapled, so I can't really fetch the seeds out of it. So if you want this one, this is for 199 rupees, Delhi NCR, shipping everywhere including shipping cost, of course. So let's just throw this aside and let me show you the growth after about 23 days or so. So just have a look, and as you can see, it's pretty decent. So maybe another 20 days or so for the first flowering to appear. I may have to transplant this from the current little pots that I have planted them in. They're about 6 to 8 inches in diameter. So just kind of wanted to show this to you as to what is the current growth path of the seeds that I had planted about 23 days back. So it was around the 10th of between 9th and 10th of October. I don't precisely remember the exact time or date, but it was either 9th or 10th on which I had planted. And today is the 3rd of November. So you can say about 23 days or so, 24 days. So this is what I wanted to show you guys, and I'll obviously keep updating you maybe another 10 days or so about the status of this one, or if I'm able to transplant it before that, I'll obviously make a video out of that as well. It's going to be slightly tough for me to transplant these big plants, but I have a way out, so shouldn't be that tough. Considering that for somebody who's a first timer, it could prove to be tough, and you could end up damaging the roots or the stem of the plant. But anyway, I'll share how I'll do it so that it becomes easy for you as well. So thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you very soon in the next one. Until then, keep smiling and God bless you.